Hi, it's your friend Hefty, and welcome to my AI Playground. Today, I'm going to be showing you another way you can build a website using AI, a different AI. If you missed the other one, go to my profile, go to Hefty AI Playground and see that. I'm going to teach you exactly how you can make a full website using just AI.
All right, the first thing you want to do is go to this link. Gwen, you can just search for Gwen AI. So you wouldn't start memorizing links. Click on the first one that comes up. Ooh. So when you have this, like I always say, make sure you log in with your Gmail. So I want to do web development, so I'll click on web dev. Then what kind of website do I want? Today, let's build a simple calculator website. Okay, I'll say build a simple basic operation calculator. I think that's all. I click enter and wait. Now here it is generating my codes for me. Like I always advise you, if web development is your area of interest, make sure you learn the basics. At least know what tags are, know what elements are, learn the basics of CSS, learn the basics of JavaScript. At least with that, these things will not look strange to you. You will just understand what it is doing for you. This is codes that would have taken you a long time. So by my right, it's my beautiful basic calculator, basic function calculator. Let's see if this works. 2 plus 2 equals to 4. 4 times 5 equals to 20. So that's it. You can deploy. If you click on deploy, it wants you to do public or private. Let's go public. It gives you a link. Supposing you want to access your calculator from anywhere, you just paste this link over there and then you have your calculator. That's it. Supposing you already know how to code and you want to save to your system, all you have to do is go over to download. See download somewhere, and let's look for that again. Let me get this off. Yep, you see copy here, you see edits and the rest of them. So I can just copy the whole code, the entire code, go over to my system, create a folder. That is if you know how to code or you have some coding editor. So I can just call this calculator. Inside it, I create a file. This is just a shortcut I use, and I call this index.html and save to enable me open it as a web browser. And I open the folder, the entire folder I just created. I open it with my VS Code editor. Open with code. Remember, I already copied that code from Gwen. I'll paste the entire code here. Wait for it to load. Then paste the entire code here. Something is wrong. Let's try pasting. Okay. So I can just come right here and preview my code. And my calculator is right here with me on my system. I'm seeing something on the background there. Was this HTML? This. That's why I said if you know how to code, if you run into small problems like this, you can actually fix them on your own. That's where that is coming from. And then there's another one. You can see there are 3 dots here. Let's look for those 3 dots in the code and get rid of them. Where are they? I can actually just copy this and do a search. Does it allow me copy? Those three dots here, and then my calculator is here. You can always improve. Okay, let's try one more app. Let's try one more website. And let's say we are done with this. You can always come here to download the code to your system. Let's say we want to do something new. We go to new chats, and we say develop a website, like building church website. Develop a website, or better still, let me do something like a CV for myself, a CV website for myself. And since I already have my credentials logged into ChatGPT, I can say generate a prompt for a CV website for me using, remember I told us about making AI know who you are, using my details. In fact, let me be specific, all my details. So no need for my details. Let me just go and remove this one. So I'll say all my details, academics, work experience, publications, research interests, etc., etc. But the ones I remember and the ones I do not remember, like our teachers used to say. So I want to say all my publications. So I'll say all my publications so that it doesn't skip some. All my publications. Okay. Generate a prompt for a CV website for me using all my. Okay, so let's see. It gives me a prompt. So this is a prompt for me. Okay. These are as much as this is not all my publications, so there are still more I need to include for them. Okay, so we have this. I'll just go ahead and copy the prompt generated. I want to copy so that it doesn't have some extras in it. Okay, so let's go over to Gwen and paste that prompt here. Click on web development and paste the prompt we just copied, and let's see what it's going to get for us to be working while we do other things. So here is our code. As it's generating the code, don't forget to like, don't forget to drop a comment, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It takes a minute depending on the size of the website, so make sure you have a good internet. That's the first thing to do, and then let's wait for the result to come out. Oh, I can see the styling it's using already. Wow. Let's see. Originally, if you want to develop this, it's going to take you time to write out these codes. But you can see how it's doing it in minutes. It's minutes. Okay. Wow, this must be a big project, and it's even using latest technologies. Wow, I can see how it's embedding HTML, CSS, and JavaScript together. website is ready. Whoa. Everyone, it's loading. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. Alright, it's taking time to load because this is big. Everything about me is there. My complete CV is there. Wow. Even my GPA is well spelled out. Okay. It's taking a lot of time though to process this. Meanwhile, I will also like to compare Gemini. So let's see Gemini.google.ai. I like to see which is faster and which is going to provide a more beautiful website. Remember how to use Gemini to create a website? Click on Canva, then I'll paste the same prompt here and let's see what happens. Submits. So Gemini is thinking, Gwen is still loading. Gemini has already given us a lot of codes here. Let's see who is going to be true first. Gwen is still loading. Gemini is still generating codes. Gemini, right? Okay, Gemini is still generating code. Gwen is still loading us. Gemini is still generating code. Gwen is still loading. Gemini. Gemini has something for us, and Gwen is still loading. Woo! And this is what it gave us. This is beautiful. I think I want to keep this. And work on it. So I'll just go ahead and click on share, click on copy content. Gemini is still loading. Let's do something. Let's keep this for me. What should I call it? Let's call it CV websites. Okay, so I can actually improve on it later on. I want to create a file, index.html, to enable me to save the HTML file. Okay, then remember I always open, because I use VS Code, whatever code editor you have, you just open with it. Click on that particular index file you have there and paste the code you copied. Okay, so with this I can actually edit, make adjustments to my code, add pictures and the rest. So let me view on the live browser and see what happens. I'm going live. Wow, this is beautiful. This is really beautiful. Let's text for mobile responsiveness. Whoa, it's also responsive. That it is going to look beautiful on any screen at all. Let's go to iPad. That's like equivalent to tablet. Let's go to laptop screens. It still looks good. Very good and well detailed. Okay, so you can as well make some edits if you know how to go about it. For instance, I want my profile picture here. What I'll do is go back to the code. Let me close this guy right here. Go back to the code and where do we have that profile picture? in the Shadrach Manabuchiku. I'm gonna download my CV. I'll have to put links here to my CV. Put links here. First of all, my interest is to change that profile. I want my profile picture showing there. Okay, so I'll look for that profile. Profile. What's there on the profile? Can actually search and get it. Let me look at it one more time. And profile. Let me search for profile. I use control find. Search for profile. And profile. Yeah, here it is. So I need to replace this link right here with a link to my profile picture. So because I don't want to stress myself and start hosting a site, I'll create a new folder inside here and I'll call it image. Let me call it image. And then I'll go to my pictures, look for a suitable picture I want to use for my profile. Okay, I think I like this one. I'll just copy. Oh, let me use this one instead. This is big. I need a picture with a small size. Okay, this is good. I'll copy this picture and paste it inside that image folder I created just now. Paste it and go back to my code. Go back to my code right where I have that link. I want to delete this and then locate that particular image I just added. And let's go back to the website and see if it changes to my picture. Wow, we have it. Okay, let's check back our Gwen. Gwen is still loading. Gemini has given us a result, which is this, and it's beautiful. It's beautiful. See the section that has my education information regarding my education. It has my publication. It has my research experience. It has my work experience. It has my skills. It has my research interest. In fact, this is beautiful. And like I said, I'm going to keep this. I'll just work on it, make sure the contact form is functional, and host it probably in my GitHub. Thank you for watching. I'll be waiting for Gwen. To load. Meanwhile, I'm impressed by the result I have here already. See you in the next one.